So I've got a package here marked Kel-Tec. I haven't opened it yet. It's a Kel-Tec Sub 2000 rifle. Kel-Tec sticker, Kel-Tec logo, card. Oh, this is the card from the shop that it was purchased from. I've opened the lid of the box and I can't see my video monitor anymore. So I guess that's readable. So again, it was the Prepper Gun Shop. And it came to $610. $610 delivered. Was $575. What's that charge? So standard shipping. In any event, so it's a fold-up stock is underneath. And then the stock is probably adjustable in length. It's not mine, so I don't really want to mess with it. Must have a charging handle down here. Alright, well the important thing is he uses Glock magazines. Look at that. The magazine release. Well, look at this. Beretta 92, CZ, Smith & Wesson. Sig Sauer. Canic. But this is marked G19 and 23. Nice little 9mm carbine. Okay, so the trigger guard is the folding release. Pull it down and the thing will fold. Latch it up, and it truly is a little fella. So that's pretty neat that they furnish all these different mag catch insert. That way you can, whatever you're carrying, you can probably match it. My guess is classic Firearms. The 2-day package. Tear strips never seem to work for me. There's always a little bit that needs special attention. Well, I don't think we're going to be able to examine them. I think there's a Punisher logo with Donald's hair. So a Punisher with Donald's hair. But it must be on the other side of the receiver. And since these aren't mine, I didn't think I would unpack them. So in the height of the coronavirus, this is August 12th. What did Classic Firearms charge for these? I'm not sure where $25 shipping comes from. The lowers themselves cost $60, which, considering today, is probably not bad. They were ordered on the 7th, delivered on the 12th. This is ridiculous. Unless this customer requested second-day shipping. I did receive permission from the fellow who purchased these. This is the hidden side of the receiver. This is not an engraving, it's just I don't know, it may be actually anodized. I think he's going to build a 458 SOCOM on this, which would be fitting. This is a 9mm Parabellum. Lots and lots of these around. This is a 30-06 rifle cartridge. Been around since 1906. This is a 50 Action Express. Came out in 1988-89. And this is the handgun designed to fire this. It's a gas-operated, camera-fired, bolt-action, AR-15 style rotating bolt. It's marked 50 AE, Desert Eagle pistol, Magnum Research Incorporated, Minneapolis. See, it was made by IWI, same people that make the Tavor, Israel Weapon Industries, made in Israel. .30-06. Safe, fire, single action only. This walked into the shop today, followed by a young man who wishes for me to put it on a gun broker for sale. Seven-round magazine. I would call it 11 inches long. Six inches high.